Hello, thank you for joining me today on Tech Talk with Terry. Today we're going to talk about AWS and how you may get started in cloud computing. So first of all, what is cloud computing? It is a cloud service, a cloud platform, I should say, that allows scalability, elasticity, availability, and cost effectiveness. It has many services that it provides, like computing, storage, analytics, database, networking, mobile services, developer tools, security, and management of all these things. So AWS does the heavy lifting, and you get to put your applications and data on their platforms. So how does this work? Well, it's a shared responsibility model, right? So they're going to take care of securing and making sure everything is available on the infrastructure, and you're going to secure and make sure everything is good with your applications and data. Now, they will give you security tools that are very robust and compliant with the industry. So you need to understand those tools and how they could help you secure your applications and data. The other thing that AWS provides is certification paths. That's how the computer workshop can help you the most. So you can call one of our education specialists or check out our learning paths for AWS on our website at tcworkshop.com and see which path is right for you. So the other interesting thing about cloud computing is it's kind of like you pay as you go. So there are many pricing structures. You can pay as you go, like I just said. You can reserve instances, or you can use spot instances and others. So understanding the pricing model will help you and your organization understand if cloud computing is right for you. So you're like, oh, that's all good and well, but how do I get started, right? So this is the cool part, is AWS has a free account that you can go out. Anybody can create a free account on AWS and just start familiarizing yourself with the console. So there are a few things that you should know about the console and a few terms, and then you'll be ready to get started. So first of all, AWS has regions and zones. You need to understand what are in each region and zone and how that affects your pricing for your applications and the tools that you might need and the performance and availability. Now, all tools on AWS are not available in every region or zone. So you may have to search around for the closest zone or region that would have the tools that you need. And the next term you need to understand is EC2. EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. Basically, it's a virtual machine. So you need to understand how to stand up the EC2 and how to manage that, just like you would manage your virtual machines that were maybe on-prem. The next term that you will see is S3. Now, wonder what this means, right? S3, Simple Storage Service. So this is where you are going to actually store objects. It's scalable, it's elastic, you can use as much or as little as you need, and you can create and manage what they call buckets. So your storage bucket, so you need to understand that. The next thing you need to understand is ACLs. They are security groups and networking. These two services will help you provide security and network access to your application. So you want to be sure you understand that. The next term you're going to see is IAMs. IAM stands for Identity and Access Management. This is where you will create your users, your groups, and your roles. These will help you control who accesses what within your cloud environment. The last thing you need to know is CLI tools. The CLI stands for Command Line Tools. That is where you are going to manage from your terminal and your command line. You can manage your instances on AWS and also automate tasks. All right, so that should get you started. So go out there today, go to AWS, log on, get your free cloud environment, and start learning. Thank you for joining me today here on Tech Talk with Terry. If this was helpful, Please like and share and comment below. Thanks so much. Have a great day.